Hey loves, today we're going to be creating this gorgeous wavy unit with chocolate brown highlights. So if you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned. So the hair that I'll be using is from DSoar hair. It's their Peruvian natural wave with a 20-inch frontal, a bundle of 20 inches, 22, 24, and 26. Sorry I don't have any video here. For some reason, I deleted all of my footage making this wig. But if you want to see how I put my wigs together, then just refer to my previous DSoar video, which I'll link below. But this is kind of what it looks like. I did have a frontal and I cut it into a closure. My goal was to make it into a bigger closure, but later on in the video I'll explain to you I didn't make it that much bigger. But yeah, I'm just stitching the hair, sewing it up on a dome cap, and then I put in some chocolate highlights. So here is the natural color. It's in a like a 1B or a natural black type of color. I just put some bleach on it in random areas, and this was my result. I left the bleach on for about 20 minutes, and this is the beautiful color that I got. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, you guys, so this is our final look. I am absolutely loving how it came out. Now, at first, I was like a little iffy because I just did not like how my baby hair was coming out. And even though I have a mirror here, it was just really hard for me to kind of see how it was coming off on camera and just, you know, what it was looking like. So it just didn't look natural at all at first, so I kind of had to go off camera and just play with it a little bit so that it'll be a little more to my liking. Instead of having like a baby hair going like this and one like this, I just kind of put most of the hair to one side, kind of just like covered it up a little bit so the baby hair isn't on display so much. And then I just added a tiny bit of baby hair next to the side part. As you guys already know, I absolutely love like wavy textures. Again, this hair is from DSoar hair, and this is their Peruvian natural wave. I got it in lengths 20, 22, 24, and 26 with a 20-inch frontal. As you guys can see in the beginning of the video, I went ahead and cut the frontal into a closure. This is my first time doing that, and I work with closures much better than I do with frontals. I meant to make a larger closure so that I could have more parting space and, you know, have more of a frontal look. However, I still ended up, I think I only cut it to 5 inches, and I think the normal closure piece is like 4 inches, so I only added an inch. I'm learning, so that was my mistake, but next time I'll probably try to make it like more like 7 inches. Maybe that way I can have like maybe a top knot up and then have some down and kind of have that frontal look but with a closure. But I absolutely love the way that the color came out. This is exactly what I was looking for, just a chocolate kind of brown warm honey highlights, not doing too much, not totally blonde. So when I put the bleach on, I just left it on for about 20 minutes, and the hair took really well to the bleach. It didn't dry it out. It feels really soft still, and it still has some waves. This type of wave is so nice because it's so easy to detangle, and you know, it's easy. It's not really high maintenance type of hair. If you want something really easy, something you don't have to worry about detangling it all the time and all of that jazz, then I think that this is a great wave, and it just gives like such a really cute look. I love it so much. Just add a little water and some mousse, and then you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this hair review slash tutorial. If you're interested in this hair, I'll be sure to leave all of the links in the description box below for you guys. Now let's go ahead and get into our outfit of the day.